All right, let's take a look at the Flourish Journaling Kits. This is a wonderful kit for people who don't like any bulk in their projects. For example, you might be using a bound notebook or a bound planner, or you just don't prefer it. And so this kit really has items that have a low profile. All right, so we have 2 packages of rub-on transfers that you have some that are functional, like with the days of the week and different phrases, but then also lots of really beautiful decorative images too. We have a list of journaling prompts. And then we also have some washi, not washi, I mean kind of, like vellum, stickers. So these are a little bit thinner than regular paper stickers. So again, if you want no bulk or very little bulk, these are a great choice. We have lots of days of the week, and then we also have some dates. A full sheet of this scallop pattern. You can cut it, you can use it as it is. Lots of different options there. Same thing with this beautiful floral. A handful of flowers, and then also some washi strips. And then we have the alphabets, lots of them there. So many different letters you can use to spell out all of the things. And then a handful of phrases and decorative images and some washi strips at the bottom. And then last but not least, in the journal, the Flourish Journaling Kit, we have a roll of washi tape, which is a peachish orange color, then with a white design on there. Hopefully you can see that. It is just really delicate and pretty looking. I look forward to adding this to my projects all month long. So that is the Flourish Journaling Kit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Deluxe Journaling Kit from the Flourish Collection. It comes in the heavy-duty plastic storage folder, which has a Velcro closure. It's great for storing your kits, but also for taking them on the go. Now this kit is packed full of stuff, and most of the items have a very low profile. So if you want to get creative, but you don't want a lot of bulk, this is a wonderful kit for you. All right, so let's start with some of the papers. So first up, we have this specialty paper. It is very textured. It's very cool, actually. Like it's very enjoyable. It's just a nice page, I honestly think, for layering. Cut it up, tear it up. That one is exclusive to this kit. You won't find it anywhere else. We also have this beautiful vellum. Do you see how pretty that is? And it also has some gold foiling on it. This one is also exclusive to this kit. Now we have a wonderful pattern paper. It just has a grid on it. And again, it feels so good for like layering, like tear those edges and stuff. And then the back has this beautiful peach ledger. Same thing, this one is a slightly lighter pink color. Both of these are exclusive to this particular kit. And then we have 3 sheets of patterned paper. These are included in the planner kit. Now you can see these are folded, so you have a lot of patterned paper here, and you can use them for so many different purposes. Again, layering, dashboards, junk journaling. Honestly, there's just so many different options. Like I feel overwhelmed almost telling you all the different ways you can use patterned paper. Okay, so next up is our PET stickers. These are super cute and they have florals. I'm gonna move these so you can see the designs on the PET stickers. These are also kiss cut, so all you have to do is just peel them right off the page. You don't need to cut them or anything like that. And just a lot of different sizes and images are included in the PET stickers. Okay, so then we also have our rub-on transfers. Oops, I think I forgot to tell you, these are in the planner kit. We have our rub-on transfers, and these are both included in the journaling kit this month. And they're just wonderful sizes and images for layering and adding a little bit of beauty with absolutely no bulk whatsoever. You basically can hardly even tell they're there once you've rubbed them onto the page. Then we have our Vellum stickers. We like these because they're a little bit thinner than a paper sticker. And so again, if you don't love bulk, you will love these stickers. These are also included in our journaling kit. So we have the dates and the days of the week. This full sheet of the scallop, so you can cut it up, use it as it is, lots of different options for that one. We have the beautiful floral, same thing, it's a full page sticker. You have the floral, but you also have the washi strips at the bottom, the alphabet stickers, and then also this one that has quotes and washi strips as well. All right, then we have our journaling prompts, which can be so helpful for those of us that get a little bit stuck, because sometimes it's just, you need a little creative push. So we have 10 different ideas for things to journal about throughout the month of May. We have a stamp set, which is exclusive to this particular kit. You won't find this one anywhere else. And the sticky notes, these are great because again, they're really wonderful for layering, but they're just very, very neutral. So things to remember, that's it. And so that could be a to-do list. It could be anything, right? And then last but not least, because we actually still have our washi tape, is our ephemera. These are also included in our planner kit, but they are so beautiful. We have lots and lots of the florals this month, but then we of course have our very favorite tabs as well. And these are self-adhesive. So all you have to do is, I'll pull one off in a minute, but all you have to do is pull the back off and they are ready to go. You don't need a separate glue stick or tape runner for these. So if you love florals or you love spring colors, you're going to be in heaven with this kit. And I happen to love both, so I'm really very excited about all of these different images and the color palette as well. So lots and lots and lots of very usable decorative images. So these just have, like I said, a backing on the back that you'll have to forgive my nails. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to pull the back off. It's not them, it's me. Okay, so you just pull the back off and you already have your adhesive. No need, it's wonderful. Okay, so then the last element included in the Deluxe Journaling Kit is this roll of washi tape, and this one is exclusive to this kit. You can't get this one in any other kit, and it's just this beautiful dark teal with these tiny little flowers scattered, and it's going to add a lot of really great contrast to all of your projects. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Flourish Stationery Kit. Now this is a really great kit because it includes beautiful items that coordinate with the collection, but they don't have a specific project in mind. You can use them for a wide variety of things, and that can be so fun and really liberating. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so first up, we have this beautiful vellum that the centers of these little flowers are gold foil. They're just so delicate and beautiful. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really very, very lovely. Then we also have an acetate overlay, which is, oh, I love it. All the watercolory goodness and the pattern as well. Hopefully you can see all those little lovely florals on there. The back side is sort of a matte, and then the front, oh, so, so pretty. All right, and then we have our adorable PET stickers. As you can see, there is a variety of the patterns. Then like you have photo corners, all kinds of different elements for adding. Like I mean, this literally looks like washi tape, am I right? Like, it's so cute. So that's really very fun to add to all of your projects. All right, then we also have stickers because everybody loves stickers. We have these flourishes, which are mostly black and white, but then there's little additions of colors in some of the bits and pieces, which is great. And then some decorative stickers too. Decorative floral stickers, I should say, because these are technically decorative. Then we also have the days of the week as well, and just gorgeous. They make every day look absolutely beautiful. And then we have this postcard, which is on a beautiful textured cardstock, and then it has the flowers and then grateful for small things, big things, and everything in between. So you can save this and keep it for your projects, or you could send it to somebody if you would like as well. All right, then we have our sticky note pad. I'm gonna take it out of the package because I want to make sure that you can see it because the design is very subtle. There is like a watermark floral on there. Hopefully you can see that. It's just so delicate and pretty, like I said. And I think also this could be great for using in junk journals or scrapbooking too, like since it just says today's note at the top and it's so neutral. We have 2 dangle clips. I'm gonna take these out just so, again, you can get a better look at them because they're so cute. One has an ampersand on it, and then the other one says renew. So if you're not familiar with the dangle clips, you can put these at the bottom of your notebook or planner or whatever you're using, and then they hang down at the bottom. So they're just very simple, yet so pretty. All right, and then we have a package of ephemera. These are vellum die cuts, so they're not the same paper as the rest of them. They have a translucent quality, and they are, again, they're just really delicate, very pretty, and great for, obviously they work wonderfully on their own, but they're also really great for layering. So lots of different florals here. We have big ones, we have smaller ones. You can see like right there, there's a little tiny guy, but then we have plenty of big ones as well. And not only that, but there's leaves too. So that's great because sometimes the greenery just makes all of it pop and really brings it all together. So there is a lot of the ephemera included in the stationery kit. And then we also have, this is very cool, a roll of stickers that look like postage stamps. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. Okay, so we have these and they're just, I'm just smitten with how adorable those are. So isn't that cute? Just a roll of stickers that are die cut to look like stamps. So you can see right there, that's where they start to duplicate. Lots of different designs, very fun to use. I'll pull this little guy off down here. All right, well, I don't know what I'm gonna stick it to anyway, so I don't need to pull it off, but very cute. And they have all the little edges and stuff. Like it feels like old school. I think all of stamps, postage stamps in the US now are self-adhesive maybe, but feels like the old school ones where you had to lick the back. Like they're so cute, but you don't have to lick these. So there's that. We have a roll of grid washi tape. It's just white. And then I'm not 100% sure what color this is because, you know, sometimes things look a little bit different, but it's obviously incredibly neutral. Cute, right? I just think it's the perfect delicate balance to the rest of these items because it all just feels very, like I said, delicate and whimsical and very pretty. And then last but not least, we have the little pin, which is included in this kit. And this one has the Cocoa Daisy logo on it. And the back, as you can see, it has a pin back. However, it's easy to remove. And then in the shop, we sell these giant paper clips. And you can, when the pin back is removed, you can attach this and have a really cute big paper clip. So that is the Flourish Stationery Kit.